Hi, my name is John Hazlett, and I'm an elementary teacher in the Oxford School District in Oxford, Michigan. And I would like to share with you a lesson idea I came up with that uses an augmented reality app. The app's called Aurasma, and what it does is it guides students through a sort of treasure hunt where they use critical thinking, math skills, and collaboration to find and solve clues that eventually lead the kids to a sort of a hidden treasure. There were a few kinks, as this is my first time using the app, but I like that the children had to use information in their environment, all around the school. They looked for numbers on the lockers, plaques, playing cards, and they navigated through the lesson that way. And all in all, I think it was a success. I had a lot of fun with it, I learned a lot, and I think the kids did too. So I use this app called Funny Movie Maker, I think it's called, and I recorded myself as this pirate character that leads the kids through the lesson. Whenever they hold their iPad up to something that I've tagged, it'll play a video. So here they are. The pirate has told them to find a plaque on the wall by room 104. They add up the digits to get 5. And they find out that there's a clue in locker 5.
We found it. Here, the cards.
So once they find the clue, it tells them to point at the card that's the highest number. They subtract the cards to come up with the number 6, and they write that down and move on to the next clue, or the next step, which is to point the iPad at a $5 bill.
President Lincoln here. I am the 16th President of the United States.
So Abe tells him that he's very proud that he was the 16th president, and that's going to be an important number later on, as that 16 is one of the numbers to the combination to the treasure, and that 6 earlier also is one of the numbers in the combination. What's happening here is that the Lincoln character has instructed them to go southeast, so they've decided to use the compass app on the iPad, head southeast, and so they're going to cut through the media center here. A little more searching, and bingo. This leads them to another clue from the pirate. Figure out a math problem. They work out the math problem, search for the correct room, and that leads them to a sign on the wall, and the sign on the wall instructs them to measure the area of the square. They calculate the area, subtract 34 from it to get 30. That's the final piece of the code for the lock. And finally, the flag gives them a money problem, and the money problem ends up sending them to the website where they find out that they have indeed solved the mystery of the treasure. Finally, they unlock the lock. Finally, they unlock the lock and find the treasure. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you learned at least as much as I did.